Blessing everyone. Blessings from Eat Good TV. Scissoring, savoring. Little is much with all in it. Today we are making Bammy Burger. I have the vegan kind on the channel and you'll find it in the description box in the link below. But I have the vegan one so you can watch the vegan Bammy Burger. But today I am making Bammy Burger with ground meat. You can see it right here. Here are the ingredients: salt, black pepper, complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, onion, garlic, assorted bell peppers. This is the ground meat I'm using today. This is the beef, ground beef. But if you want to use turkey, any meat of your choice, you can even grind it yourself if you have a grinder and use it. But today I am using beef. And this is the other star of the show, the cassava yuca. I'm gonna grate it, and you can get it in the store to buy. You can get the burgers in the store, the one that make the little Bammy burgers. You can get it in the store to buy. And if you're trying to lose weight, cassava is very good for you, like your bread. You can bake it, you can fry it, you can boil dumpling with it, you can do everything with cassava if you're trying to lose weight, because once you wring the juice out of the cassava, there's no starch in the cassava anymore. So you can use it to eat, especially if you're dieting or you have celiac disease and you can't take anything with gluten, then this is your best choice. Well, I'm gonna season it now. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt because the all-purpose seasoning have salt, 1 pinch of salt, and we are going to add our bell peppers. Onion and garlic, and you'll find the recipe in the description box. Onion, garlic, a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, no seed. I don't like the seed in mine. And some thyme. And if you want to put an egg in there, you can put an egg in the mixture. But I'm not going to put any egg in this one. Or you can use some flour, some cornstarch to hold it nice. And this is some ground pimento. Pimento is allspice. So half a teaspoon. And if you just want salt and black pepper, whatever you want in it, you can put it in it. But I like a lot of flavor in my burgers. If you have children, just put salt, black pepper, because sometimes they don't like all this stuff in the burger. A little salt and a little black pepper and some ketchup. They like that. A little salt, little black pepper, and some ketchup. The kids them love that. That's all you need. And if you're gonna put onion, grate the onion so they won't see the onion. Grate the onion and the garlic so they won't see the onion and the garlic inside of it. And we're gonna let this rest for like about 30 minutes because I'm gonna grate the cassava. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. It's colorful. Gonna be delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Wash the cassava properly. Just throw some baking powder on it, baking soda. If you want to use lime and vinegar, whatever you want to use to wash it, but give it a good scrub. So I'm gonna wash it. I just put some baking soda on it and I'm gonna give it a good scrub. So I can take off all the dirt off it. You just wash it and you rinse it. And you're gonna peel it after. I place the cassava into a bowl and add some water to it because it's easy to grate when it's soaked. So I'm going to soak it for 30 minutes, then I'm going to grate it. When grating, cut small to grater. You just cut it small like that to grater it. Now I'm gonna juice all the starch from the cassava, all the juice. You can use, back in the days they would buy a t-shirt and cut it and use it. But now we have all type of thing to strain it with. We have cheesecloth, we have bags, we have all kind of thing to strain it, to juice it. And you put small amount where your hand can hold to really wring and juice. And you just take your time and juice it. You wanna juice it for me?
Okay.
Come here, have a bad shoulder. Jetty is gonna juice it for me, so he's juicing it. Oh, the bacteria? Okay, just juice it as best as you can. Right. Okay, and pour it in the dish. Try not to wring it so hard to tear the bag. Just take your time and wring it. Put small amount in it. Strong man, wring it out. That is so good. Yeah, that's how they wring it dry. Small amount. Yeah, just put a small amount in it and wring it out. So it's nice and dry. Now we're making cassava flour here. And after the starch is settled in the bottom of the bowl and you do the liquid, you can use the starch to starch your clothes. If you're a person who wear clothes that you need a little starch, the starch is gonna settle in the bottom of the bowl. Back in the days, they used to starch khaki pants and khaki shirt and iron them. But it's just wash and wear they're using now. Now is modern time. You wash it and you wear it. So that was what they would take to make spray starch or just regular starch. Cassava starch to starch the cloves. Doing a good job. I couldn't make it so dry. I have to buy another bag. And cassava flour, you can get it at Amazon. And the Bammies, you can get it in any Korean store in your neighborhood that sell Bammy. At the supermarket carry Bammy. They carry both sizes, the big size and the small size. So you can take that and make your burger. And you can get the flour from Amazon and make your Bammy too. I'm gonna show it when you finish. Then when the water is settled, you're gonna see the starch in the bottom of the bowl. Thank you, Jet.
You're welcome.
I just want to show you the starch in the container. So you just pour the water off and then you're gonna see the starch. So this is what they take to make starch to starch your clothes. This is the starch, this is starch, and this is what they take to make liquid starch. We hardly use starch now, but this is what they used to take to starch the clothes. Make it stiff. And if spray starch, so this is what spray starch is made after. Jet did a good job bringing out the cassava. It's like he's in the factory. Look how dry it is. It's like he wring it like he works in the factory where they press it.
Wow, thank you very much. I didn't know I did such a good job.
Yeah, man, a great job, great job. So you're just gonna make sure, just rub it through your palm like this, rub it, to make sure you don't have any lump inside of it. You just rub it. That's how they do it home. They rub it to make sure. Let me start from here. You're gonna rub it to make sure no lump in it. See? No lump in that. If you find a little piece of lump, just put it there. You're gonna rub it. Make sure there is no lump. No lump in it. We don't want any lump in our Bammy. So we rub it to make sure. Because sometimes you grate it and you get pieces of lump. But just rub it to make sure there is no lump. Now that I'm finished removing all the lumps, see the lumps them over here? I finished remove all the lumps. And if you're gonna put this to dry, just get a bigger container and open it overnight to dry and package it in brown paper bag. And I'm gonna add some salt to it. The salt preserves the cassava. So I'm gonna add some salt to it. And you just put it in a wider container, leave it out until it's completely dry, and you package it into brown paper bags. The ground beef is soaking now for marinating. The ground beef is marinating now for 1 hour because I leave it for an hour. You can 30 minutes to an hour. So I marinate it for an hour. And if you want it, you can always add an egg in here, or you can add some cornstarch, whatever you want, or flour, whatever you want to make it hold more. You can add it into it, but I don't add anything to it. I'm just gonna make it just the way it is. And this is our Bammy flour. This is our cassava flour. This is the cassava flour, and I'm gonna take it to make the Bammy. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt in it. I don't like lots of salt in it when it's very salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt in this mixture is good. So 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm gonna mix it through. Teaspoon of salt, you just take it and mix it. Mix it through and through and through until it's totally combined. No spray, no oil. Just place the flour in the pot. Place the cassava flour in the pot. I think it could take a little more. This is a big and just press it down. When you place it in the pot, make sure you press it down. I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna fold the pot. And when one side is done, you just flip it to the next side. If you like it golden, you leave it long. If you don't like it golden, then you just flip it. As long as it's set, then you flip it. So I'm gonna cover it and just let it steam for about 10-15 minutes.
Low fire.
And medium. So you just cover it on a medium heat. When one side is golden, just flip it over to the other side. Yeah. Jed say he wants a Whopper family, so the same pan I cook it in is my little Bammy pot. So I put the meat in it so I can have the same size for the burger. So I'm just gonna cook it. Cook to your liking on medium heat, then you flip it over. I flip the burger, so I'm just gonna add 2 cheese on the top. And this is a Whopper burger, Whopper. Put some avocado spread on the Bammy, and this is just avocado, crushed avocado with black pepper and salt. So I'm gonna put it on the bottom here, on the burger, and the Whopper. This is a big Whopper here. You can make them small. You can make them any size you want. Okay. Then I'm gonna put the meat on. Put the tomato. 1 piece, Jet, or 2?
2.
2? Wow.
Yeah.
You want a big Whopper. You're gonna put lettuce?
No, put the
onion next. Onion next. This is a big Whopper.
That's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
All right. What else? Oh, then the lettuce. Okay. Wow. Can you see this everything? Okay. Then when you can't see anything. That's good. And what else?
That's good. That's it.
That's it? You have more avocado on or no?
No.
Okay, that's it. Make sure you can see the inside of it. You can see inside of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Or you can put a little avocado onto the Bammy.
Yeah, on the top.
On the top, yeah. That just seals the deal, right? All right. Put some more avocado on this one. Finish it up. And it just seals the deal. I'm just gonna finish it up.
Yeah, the avocado will make it taste creamy.
Creamy like the mayonnaise.
Yeah.
But this is avocado paste.
That's nature's mayonnaise right
That's nature's mayonnaise. And you put it right up. Oh my goodness. What a burger.
right on top.
Right on top. You don't have to cut it. You can just leave it. And put some tomato or some onion for the colors around it. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.